pag-unawa ng batas.
Today, we gather as a community of leaders representing Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, united by a shared purpose and responsibility. Some of you may even be meeting each other in person for the very first time. That is what makes today extra special.
Malasakit sa bawat Pilipino, integridad sa gawain ng gobyerno, husay sa propesyon at paglilingkod, mga trainers ng New Government Procurement Act, iisang layunin.
Reconnect, refresh, restart. Every peso entrusted to government become a peso that serves the people. So you, our trainers, make that possible. You do not just present slides, you strengthen institution. You do not merely train individuals, you build a culture where integrity is non-negotiable and excellence is the standard.
Lagayan, isang mensahe ang aming pinaninindigan,
Na ang yaman ng bayan ay dapat ingatan at ang 𝗚𝗣𝗣𝗕 ay umuusad sa tamang kaalaman.
malasakit sa bawat Pilipino, integridad.
Your voices, your inputs, and the realities you share from the ground are not just welcome, they are essential. Every concern you raise, every suggestion you offer becomes part of the foundation we are laying for a stronger procurement system. The insights you share from your work allow us to see where improvements are most needed and how we can address them together.